Hi friends, you are watching All Today Tech channel. Today I am going to explain the common problem faced by many computer users friends. In general, in offices, in the emergency time, they face lot of issues with this small problem friends. That means we all know friends about PDF files like this friends. PDF file cannot be converted normally friends. Normally we cannot convert it friends. For converting we have a lot of types, different types, but suddenly we don't know we don't have idea friends. If, suppose if you have a time, we can convert, we can copy, then we can take screenshot, or we can uh, type separately if we have a time friends. But in some cases, most cases we don't have a time friends. Someone send you PDF file and you want to convert it to PPT, or somebody uh, sent you any word document, you have presentation but you don't have a time, you need to convert it to PPT or PDF or images. Like this you have lot of issues. For all these issues we have one solution friends. I am showing today that solution friends. For this you need just a internet connection friends. If you open your browser and type small PDF friends, click on enter, you will show the small pdf.com website. Click on this, you will be redirected to small PDF website. In this we can convert, see friends, some PPT to PDF, PDF to PPT, JPG to PDF, PDF to JPG, Excel to PDF, PDF to Excel, Word to PDF, PDF to Word. Like this we can merge PDF. That means we can merge two three PDF files in the single file. Split PDF, we can split PDF files, rotate PDF. Like this we can convert many. We have more options friends to convert from one format to other format friends. I am showing now PDF to PPT friends. First click on this friends, then now I am changing from PDF to PPT friends. Here we need to choose our file, choose our PDF file. Once we click on open, it will uploading friends. Once it will upload, it will be converted friends. So if you have fast internet connection, it will convert easily friends. See friends, it will converting. This is the uploaded PDF document friends. How this will be converted to PPT, now we are going to see friends. Friends, it was uploaded and it was converting friends. Once it was converted, here you will download the file. Click on download file, then it will be downloaded. Once download completed, open friends. It will open in PowerPoint friends. Because of this is converted to PPT. PPT means PowerPoint presentation friends. See friends, the PDF file will be converted to PowerPoint friends. See friends, like this. So we can also convert PDF to Word also friends. Like this we can convert a Word to PDF, anything friends. Click on choose, select our PDF file, then it was uploaded. After uploading, it was converted to Word, friends. Friends, this will be useful for emergency purpose, friends. That means we have less time, we can use this one, friends. By using this, we can, per every hour we can convert 2 documents, friends. If you sign in and so friends are converted, then you can download. If you sign into PDF, small PDF, then you get full access, friends. In case of emergency, you can convert for one system per 1 hour 2 documents per one system, friends. So you can convert easily, friends. Within 5 minutes you can convert, friends. After convert, you need to download. After completion of download, you will use your document, friends. See, friends, it will be downloaded completely. Then we open. See, friends, our PDF will be converted to Word, friends. It was opening, friends, Word. See, friends, like this we can this is a Word document. We can easily delete, type everything, and this was converted to Word document, friends. Like this, it will convert all the document, friends. See, friends, here we can convert PPT to PDF, PDF to PPT, JPG PDF, PDF to JPG, Excel to PDF, PDF to Excel, Word to PDF, PDF to Word, merge some PDF, split PDF, rotate PDF. Like this we can convert lot of, friends. This is, friends, in this video you will learn how to convert PDF documents or other documents from one format to other format. If you like this video, please share to your friends and family, friends. If you don't subscribe till now, please subscribe my channel, friends. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.